Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. Business, head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is I am the light. Everyone's looking for a lifeguard, looking for someone to save them from their situation. Well, Sagittarius, I'm here to say that you're strong enough. You are your own savior. You're your own lifeguard. You are your way out of your wilderness into your transition into your new stage, your blessing, your breakthroughs. So don't look to the left, to the right for a family, friend, mentor, spiritual advisor. No, dig deep. You have a gift, and only you know and actually can see the future within your gift. It's time to make sure that you put in the work, walk behind that talk, bite behind that bark. Put some faith behind that. Consistency is key. Create what's in your mind, and the ease of life will come to you. What you are doing you can't get assistance until you actually build it, and then assistance will come. But so many people are watching you because you have the formula. So they're watching you. They're saying, okay, please do your best, Sagittarius, because we're watching and we're mimicking and we're waiting for someone to lead the way. You being the torch, the lighthouse, you're the way to safety. I always have hope, no matter the ordeal. I have faith in a better future. I turn darkness into light because that's easily something that you can do, my fire babies. I open my heart to others and God, and I'm spiritually strong. I draw light to me, and I shine with all my being. Lead with love, not with anger, resentment, guilt, hurt, doubt. No, leave those things to the outside. Let Lord God, Spirit, Universe take that and fill those spaces with love, prosperity, and growth and faith. And guaranteed, your life will change in this new season magnificently. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.